Good evening all. My video lecture is based upon C programming and computer also. Now my video topic is on data structure. It is a specified type of data that variable can store as such as integer, floating, character, etc. For data, it is having a three types: basic, derived, and enumerations. Basic data type is an int, char, float, double, etc. Derived data type is an array, pointer, structure, union. Enumeration means it is an enum data type, and then also an void as an void data type. Primitive data that we are having in primitive data type is a basic data type. Primitive data type is it is a most basic data type used for representing simple values: int, float, character, etc. Int, float, char, void are the a primitive data type. Derived data type means that are derived from a primitive or built-in data type that are referred to as derived data type. Array, pointer, functions, etc. User defined data type is it is defined by user himself, structure, union, and enum, etc. It is an integer. Integer is an integer. It is used to store the integer value including positive, negative, 0 without decimal part. Octal, hexadecimal, and decimal values can be stored in int data type. Range is from some of the ranges are having here. If you are having plus or minus values, but it is not contains decimal values. There is a size of an integer is an 4 byte, and then format specifier is an %d. Store values around 2 billion to plus 2 billion. Syntax for int var name. Var name means variable name. Float, it is used to store floating point values. Float and C is used to store decimal and exponential values. It is used to store decimal numbers, number with the floating point values with a single precisions. Automatically it will be stored in 3.1, 3.4 likewise. This is the same size for int 2, 4 byte. Format specifier is an %f because it is an float, so it is possible as an %f. Float variable name. Double, use two data type to represent two floating integers. Additional precision is needed, such as scientific calculation and financial applications will be used. It provides greater accuracy compared to float. 8-bit of memory has accuracy of 15 decimals. Format specifier is %if. Double var name. Double a equal to 2.134. Void, it is used to specify that no value is present. It does not provide a result values. It has no values and no operations. Used in multiple ways as function return type, function arguments as void. Derived data type is an array. Array is used to store a sequence of fixed size element of the same type. Provides a machines for joining multiple targets of the same data under the same name. Pointer keep track of another data type of memory and address. Pointer is declared the data type. It refers to the stated first, and then variable name is preceded by an asterisk name. We access and change the value of variable using pointers by specifying the memory address of the variable. Int star ptr. Structure is a data type. It allowing grouping of many data types under a single name. It gives you the ability to create your own unique data structure. Structure member or field are used to refer to each variable within it. Any data type including different structure can be a member of a structure. Structure member can be accessed by using the dot operator. Struct is an keyword, and then variable name, and having several declaration part, and then union is store various data type in the same memory address. In structure, each member has a separate memory space, but member of a union all share a single memory space. Value can only held by one member of a union at any given moment. When you need to represent any data type interchangeably, union will be used. Like structure, dot operator will be used. Enumeration, set of named constant or enumeration represent a collection of connected values. Make sense of to group general integral values. It makes your code easier to read and maintain.